Let's talk about Amazon Travel Essentials Part 3. I always travel with Apple AirPods anywhere I go, even if it's just walking to Starbucks. They're super easy to travel with. They're lightweight. I love this case. One is just aesthetic. It goes with the rest of my stuff, which I like, but also it protects my case. And then I like that it's a keychain because I can attach it to the key holder in whatever bag I'm using. And that way I can always easily locate them. It's also good if you're traveling with people or you live with people and you need to differentiate your AirPods. This is good for travel or just everyday life. It's an AirPod cleaning kit. If you own AirPods, you know they get dirty and disgusting, and there's really no way to kind of get into the charging kit without this. So very inexpensive, great purchase. I use mine all the time. I love it. The travel pillow. I never travel without a travel pillow. This one is memory foam. It's the #1 seller on Amazon every single month. It has 27,000 great reviews. It comes with an eye mask, earplug, squishes down, pretty small for not being inflatable. If you do want an inflatable option though, I have the best-selling inflatable option linked with this on my blog post. Adapters, of course, this one's universal, so you can use it anywhere you go. They've added these 4 USB ports. I always bring at least one of these every time I travel. And then because I'm a Virgo, I usually bring a lot of these as well. So these top ones are super inexpensive, really small. I throw these everywhere in my day bag, in my duffel bag, in my luggage. I have them kind of all over the place because you never know when you're going to need it. And then I usually bring one of these as well. And these are all dramatically cheaper if you buy them before you go to Europe than if you buy one once you're over there. You will save a lot of money and a lot of hassle. They can be hard to find sometimes over there. An external charger, if you're planning on being out for the entire day, your phone dies easily. This is great. It's small, but it charges your iPhone 9 times before needing to be recharged again itself. I always travel with it. It's just great to have on hand. Other people will thank you as well. For links to all of those recommendations and the rest of my Amazon Travel Essential recommendations, head over to my profile. Then click the link in my bio right here, ckanani.com/TikTok, and then click Amazon Travel Essentials for my full list of Amazon travel must-haves. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more recommendations.